Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Summer is in full swing and today I'm showing you 4 incredible no-bake desserts that will wow your friends and family. Quick, easy, and perfect for beating the heat. Let's jump in. First up is this no-bake strawberry shortcake lasagna. Grab yourself one 3.4 ounce box of instant vanilla pudding. Add 2 cups of cold milk. Then grab yourself a wire whisk and whisk that pudding up until it gets nice and thick. Next ingredient, we are adding a 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping that we thawed out beforehand. Fold in that whipped topping until well combined. Set that bowl to the side so we can begin on our next step. In a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, we're layering some graham crackers all over the bottom of that dish. Once your first layer of graham crackers is set, you will add half of your pudding mixture to the top of those graham crackers. Spread out that pudding mixture very, very carefully because those graham crackers will move. Now spread out that pudding mixture from corner to corner. After you've done that, we are adding some sliced strawberries. Now I did cap them, wash them, and slice them long ways so that we can add that to our shortcake. Once that first layer is complete, go ahead and start your second layer. Again, we are starting with our graham crackers, the remaining bit of our pudding mixture, and some more strawberries. Once your second layer of your shortcake lasagna is done, grab yourself some plastic wrap or some press and seal and cover up your shortcake lasagna. Place that in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. Next, we have these no-bake Blueberry Lemon Icebox Bars. You'll grab yourself about an 8-ounce package of shortbread cookies. I used Lorna Doone. I used my small food processor to crush up those cookies and added 1/4 cup of melted butter to those cookies. Give that a really good stir until the cookies are well coated. Here I have an 8 by 8 cooking dish that I'm adding my shortbread cookie mixture to. This is going to be your crust. Once you've added that to your dish, you will use a spoon and smash that all the way down. For your filling, we are adding 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Now that all of our ingredients are in our bowl, grab yourself a hand mixer and mix until nice and smooth and well combined. Here I'm adding 1 8-ounce container of thawed out Cool Whip. Once that's in your bowl, fold in your Cool Whip until well combined. Next, you're going to add your filling to the top of your shortbread cookie crust. Spread that out real well. Grab yourself about 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Make sure you have washed those beforehand and place those on the top of your dessert. Here I'm using a spoon to put those blueberries inside of the filling. Now you could probably go ahead and put those blueberries in your filling as you're mixing that up, but you risk the chance of those blueberries popping open. Now what I'm doing here is I have 2 tablespoons of blueberry jam and a plastic knife that I'm putting swirls all in the top of this delicious dessert. Top your dessert with some plastic wrap or press and seal, then refrigerate for about 4 hours or overnight. Our third dessert is a nostalgic favorite, no-bake Fruity Pebbles Cheesecake Bars. Add 3 cups of Fruity Pebbles to a medium-sized mixing bowl and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Stir up those Fruity Pebbles until every one of those pebbles are covered with melted butter. Next, you'll grab an 8x8 baking dish and pour in your Fruity Pebbles. Now, this is going to be your crust for this dessert. Once you've added that, grab a spoon and press down all the way to the bottom until nice and firm. For our filling, we are adding 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Use your hand mixer to mix until well combined and fluffy. Here I'm adding 1 8-ounce container of thawed out whipped topping. Fold that in until well combined. Add your cream cheese filling to the top of your Fruity Pebbles crust. Spread evenly from corner to corner. Top with some more Fruity Pebbles and cover with your plastic wrap or press and seal and place in the refrigerator for about 4 hours or overnight. Last but definitely not least, this no-bake cherry limeade pie. You'll start off with 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. Add that to your bowl and give that a really good mix until nice and fluffy. Here I'm adding 1 can of Eagles brand sweetened condensed milk, 1/3 cup of frozen limeade concentrate that I added. You will have to thaw that out beforehand. 1 teaspoon of lime zest. Now give this a really good mix until well combined. Here I have 1 cup of fresh cherries that I pitted. I did put some sugar on top to give it a little bit more sweetness, and I did slice these up as well. You'll place those cherries and a few drops of red food coloring in your mix and mix that up. Fold in 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip topping that I thawed out beforehand. Here I have a 9-inch graham cracker pie crust that I did add my filling to. I did take some of the filling out because it was a little bit overflowing, but you know, it is okay. Just eat it separate. Use the pie cover that came with your pie shell and cover up your pie. Refrigerate for about 6 hours or overnight. Can you guess which dessert is my favorite? Let me know down in the comments section below. Until next time. Bye-bye now.